Mr. Gomez, I'm showing you what's entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We're proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault, bodily injury, family and households.
Any objection?
None, Your Honor.
All right, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did
Yes.
you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault, bodily injury, family household as a Class A misdemeanor? Range of punishment is anywhere from 1 year in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Injury, family household. They're recommending deferred adjudication. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. Did you understand with the affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
Yes.
Judge,
Yes.
I was mistaken. I thought that applied if it were a felony conviction.
No.
It applies if there's an affirmative finding.
Yes.
Yes, we're okay with that, Judge.
All right.
The judge doesn't mince words. With an affirmative finding of family violence, the consequences are immediate and severe. No weapons, no ammunition. Not because of the felony, but because the system takes this finding seriously. Deferred adjudication may sound like a second chance, but it's more like walking a legal tightrope. One wrong move could land him in jail, or worse, strip him of custody.
Judge, at this moment, Mr. Gomez is the primary parent. He has custody by way of CPS, sole custody of all 3 children.
Well, if somebody files orders against him,
Orders.
if there are custody orders and custody contested, this is coming up. Now, I'm just telling you what the rules are, but whatever people do on the civil side, that's what they do on the civil side. But I'm letting you know, with an affirmative finding of family violence, if there is a custody hearing, all things equal, a person with an affirmative finding of family violence is not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent.
But he could be granted joint custody. Is that correct?
Oh, I'm not the civil attorney or the civil judge. I'm just saying what the rules are and what are the collateral consequences of this.
I understand what you're saying. She's saying that if later on, if there was a custody battle between you and Crystal.
Oh, but this is not an issue with me having them now, right?
No.
Oh, okay.
If there later is.
Understood.
Okay. Yes, we understand, Judge.
Anyone is brought to prosecution, and we have been unsuccessful in contacting.
All right. So, Mr. Gomez, why is she calling you a crack?
It's not just about law. It's about life unraveling in real time. Clip 2. Then comes the hardest truth. One affirmative finding, and you lose custodial rights. Just like that. He's a primary caregiver now. But it's all hanging by a thread. A single mistake, a missed test, a failed requirement. And he could be completely cut off from his children. That's more than a legal ruling. That's trauma. The kind that doesn't just affect one man, but echoes through a family.
Is that she woke you up to help her get children for the children's, to take them to a birthday party. You all began to argue and she called you a crackhead.
I don't know her side of the story completely. We weren't together. She actually came to my residence. I never let her in my place. And
All right, let me ask you this. If you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be? And you're going to get drug tested today.
I do smoke marijuana.
All right, we're going to drug test you today. Is that all it's going to be positive for marijuana?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so we're gonna do a drug test today. Then I'm gonna come back with my sentence.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so counsel, we're gonna have him drug tested today. Then I'll make a ruling.
So you'd like me to stay present, Judge?
Yes, it shouldn't take that long.
You give me an estimate. I just have another place to be.
How long will it take? You ready to use to go now?
Yes.
Oh, he's ready to go now, so it'll be a few minutes.
Fair enough, Judge.
All
Thank
right.
you.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you aware of your client's results?
Yes, believe so.
All right. Are you ready to go back on the record on Mr. Gomez?
We are, Judge. Mr. Gomez,
And then the word drops like a bomb. Crackhead. It's not just offensive, it's weaponized shame. It's stigma dressed as a question. And you see it. His body reacts before his voice does. He flinches. Because that word isn't just accusation, it's humiliation. In that split second, his image, his struggle, and his dignity are ripped open for the court and the world.
list. He's positive for marijuana, but he's positive for a benzo, probably a Xanax his dad gave him a couple weeks ago. He's positive for a Vicodin also, which his dad gave him for back pain a couple weeks ago.
Oh, see, that's still no excuse because he was dishonest with the court. And I don't know why somebody is allowing him to have children and he's using drugs. But I'm not a civil court. I can only do what I can do. All right, we're back on the record in 2023 CR 1868, State of Texas versus Luis Gomez. All right, state Mr. Gomez is positive for opioids, benzos, and marijuana. So do y'all wish to continue with this plea?
Your Honor, at this
We-
time, yes.
We do, pending the TAP evaluation. Yes, we do, Judge.
After that, it unravels fast. Drug tests reveal marijuana, benzodiazepines, Vicodin. The judge doesn't just note the substances. She hits harder, calling out dishonesty. That becomes the umbrella over everything else. This isn't just about what he used. It's about trust. And when that cracks in court, everything else collapses with it.
You want to explain yourself?
I was just
Being dishonest,
to you, yes, ma'am. I did not realize
that it would come by positive.
no that I had well, I mean, I did the Vicodin. I do know that that's what I took because I was in pain and I asked my father for
So
meds.
again, we're back to the point that you were dishonest to the court. I don't know why you're wasting up probation's UA. Doing those UAs cost money. They're not free. I should start making people pay for the UA when you're dishonest with the court.
Again, I didn't. It was a couple weeks ago. I didn't. I mean, that's not,
Again, you didn't think it was going to
I
come out
don't-
positive.
I don't take them on the regular. Is what I'm trying to get to. I mean, I should have said, I took that a couple weeks ago and included it in when you asked me about the marijuana. I didn't. That's my fault. And
Well, I mean, you were just dishonest. You got to own it.
yes, ma'am. I mean, there's no other way around it. I was dishonest.
He tries to explain. Back pain, prescriptions, meds. He didn't think they'd show up on the test. And maybe he's telling the truth. Maybe he's just a man in pain trying to cope. But it doesn't matter now. This is the part where human struggle meets the cold machinery of law. You can feel for him, but the court won't and can't let emotion override the rules.
There's an affirmative finding of family violence. The BIPP program. No contact with Crystal Castaneda.
Excuse me, Your Honor, do you mean no harmful or injurious?
No contact.
How then can they exchange children for this case?
Well,
Through a third party?
We've been managing.
Yeah, through a third party.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. I'm going to want the UA hotline. If you have a back problem or something else that's going on, you can't be taking other people's medications.
Yes, I am aware.
There's no marijuana use in this court.
Yes, ma'am.
It is still illegal in Texas. Do you understand?
Deferred adjudication sounds like mercy, but it's not. It's a grueling checklist. No contact with the victim, weekly drug tests, parenting classes, community service. And above all, no marijuana, period. It's a legal gauntlet.
Tested
up
for
once,
levels.
and it
He's
all
going to be
goes away.
tested weekly.
Clip 7.
Proof of
The judge's tone
employment
shifts. It's firm now, unshakable. Zero
within
tolerance.
30 days.
Not a
There's to
suggestion,
be no
a boundary.